Okay. First, we'll recall everything, whatever we have completed till now. Okay. So, can you tell me what all are the data types you have completed till now? What all are the data types available in Python? Int, float, string, list, dict, tuple, set, boolean. Okay. What is the integer? Integer is a integer is a whole number. It is a simply whole number. Okay, whole number. What is float? De decimal point value. Okay. What is string? String is collection of characters in uh, single quote, double quote, triple quote. What is list? Okay. Yeah. List is used for storing multiple objects in square braces. Okay. Dict is key and value pairs and in curly braces. Tuple also used for storing multiple objects, parentheses. Set also used for storing multiple objects in curly braces. Boolean is true or false. True and false. Okay. Have you remember methods? Okay. Can you repeat string methods? Upper, lower, upper, lower, count, index, replace, okay, strip, L strip and R strip, okay, each digit starts with, ends with, split and join. So these all are very important. Okay, we need to remember. We have some other methods also, but if you remember these things, enough. Okay. Next list methods. Up, append. Okay. Insert, extend, remove, pop. You can remember like series, right? So first we'll append at last, right? We'll append object element at last. Insert, we can insert using indexing. Okay, we can insert object or element using indexing. Extend, we can insert more, like more values or more elements at a time by using extend. Remove is for remove object. Okay. Pop also removing by using index. For remove, we need to use object name element. Okay, but if we use pop, we need to use indexing. Right. Next, index, count. Yeah, count. Then copy, clear, and we have reverse also. We can remember. Yeah, reverse. Okay. Then after that, dict. Yeah, dict methods simple. Dict is a key and value pairs, right? So we have keys, values, items, pop and pop item, update, copy and clear. Okay. Next, yeah, next is tuple. So you need to remember like series. First is string, first is integer, float, string, list, dict. This is the order we need to remember. Okay. So till here, very important. So without these two also, we can work using these data types. Okay. If you know these things also, like it will be little easy to work on some particular requirements, right? But without these two, without tuple and set also, you can work, right? Yeah. But you need to know minimum things. Tuple, index and count. Next is set. Add. First is add, right? First we'll add. Okay. Next remove. Okay. Pop, update, copy, clear. Copy, clear. Okay. Now tell me what are the mutables? Mutables. Mutables. Mutable data type. What is the mutable first? Mutable meaning we can update in place. Yeah, we can update list, okay, dict and set, right? Immutables. Integer we cannot update, float we cannot update, string and tuple, right? Here, what all are the indexable? What will support index? Which data type will support for indexing? Indexing, yeah. String will support, right? List will support. Hmm? Set will support or not? Indexing. Hmm? So set main set properties. It contains only unique values, right? So here indexing is not possible, right? Set in set. So because see whenever we'll get repeated values, right? Automatically it will remove. So that time like using indexing is not possible, right? So and output also not ordered, right? Right? Yeah. So we cannot apply indexing here. And tuple also indexable, right? So all others are non-indexable, right? Set main property is unordered, right? And unique value. Yeah. This we need to remember. Main purpose set values is to remove duplicate values, right? To remove duplicate values, simply we can convert to set by using conversion methods. We learned conversion methods, right? In last class. What all are the conversion methods available? Conversion methods. Hmm? Int, float, string, list, Dictive, all data types, right? We can convert one type to another type. Yeah, tuple set. Yeah, Boolean also. Right? In last class, we learned this conversion methods, right? How to convert string to integer, integer to string. Okay, clear, right? Till now, because these are all very very important. So in next two topics, we will use these only, and we'll create the scripts based on the requirements, right? So can we convert this to integer, and what is the output if we will convert this to integer? Hmm? Yeah, int of name. Yeah, what is the output we will get? Hmm? Yeah, it will give you an error. First, like you need to remember the rule. Okay, so combination of characters, combination of alpha and numerics, it is not possible to convert to the integer. See, clearly it is telling invalid literal for integer. Clear? So that is why you need to remember rules. Yeah, tell me, bro. 3 and 4, where? Hmm. New, here, fourth line, huh? Okay. Ah, enter only. I'm using enter only. Uh, can you press escape, control escape, press control escape and try. So it may be some uh, properties activated, keyboard properties. So just then do enter. Hmm? Yeah, yeah. Here, can you tell me what is the output we'll get if we will convert this name to list? Okay. Yeah. But hmm? Okay. So we are trying to convert string to list. Okay. As per rule, right? String meaning character by character it will come, right? H will be one element, E will be one element, L will be one element. See, character by character, because we try to convert string. Clear? What is the how to check type of this one? How to check type of this one? Hmm? Yeah, by giving index. How can we give? Okay, okay. type dot out of minus 3, right? This one, what it is, data type? It is clearly, it is clearly string, right? So see, within the single quote or double quote, triple quotes, so it will be a string, right? Now tell me how to check, is it string or uh, is it digit or not? Within this string, digit or not? How to check? We have method, right? Yeah. Is e digit. What is the syntax? Hmm? Hmm? Out of minus 3, right? Now, what is the output we will get? So output will be true or false, right? So it is true. This string contains digit, right? You got it, right? This one. How to utilize methods? Clear? Today we'll see new topic, that is operators. Okay, operators. These operators also very important. Everywhere we'll use for mathematical things and comparison purpose. Okay. So first one is arithmetic operators. In arithmetic operators, we have plus, minus, okay, multiplication, division, okay, modulus, and we have floor division also. Okay, and we have, this is power, right? Power of, this is called exponential, right? Now let's take number 1 equal to 10, num2 equal to, num2 equal to, let's take 3, okay? Now we'll see out equal to num1 plus num2, right? What is the output we'll get here? This is arithmetic operator plus, print, adding two numbers, right? What is the output here? Output is 13. So same thing, we'll do subtraction. What is the output? 10 minus 3, 7. Okay. Now we'll see for multiplication. 30. Okay. Next, here num1 power of num2. Here the meaning 10 power 3. Yeah. What is the output? See, 10 into 10 into 10. three times, right? 10 into 10, 100, first one. Okay? Yeah. 100 into 10, 1000. Clear? Now, division. What is the output? 10 by 3. 10 by 3 is 3.3, right? Now, let's see. We'll see floor division. So, floor division is used for removing decimal. Okay? See, now 3. So, this is also double slash is floor division. Okay? So, it will remove decimals. And how it will work is, so it will give you the nearby value. For example, if it is 3.7, okay, if output is here 3.7, here we will get 4. Clear? Till 3.5 we will get 3. After 3.6, right, we will get 4. So it will give you output that nearby value. Clear, right? Yeah, yeah, next value will get. If it is not more than 5, it will give you the same value. Okay, 3. Clear, right? Floor division. Yeah. Sometimes this is also useful. Okay, for some of the operations. Yeah. Now modulus, right? So modulus meaning, let me execute this first. Now here we are getting one output. Okay. So reminder, see, 10 by 3, right? 10 by 3 means 3 3 ja 9, right? 3 3 ja 9. How much is the remainder? 1, right? So that is the output we will get here. That is called remainder. Only remainder value we will get. Right? Understood, right? This one, remainder. Here, now see, here, what is the output? No, 10 by 5. 10 by 5. What is the remainder? Yeah, remainder will be 0. Clear? 7. Okay. What is the remainder now? Hmm? 3. 3. How it is? 7. 7 1 is 7. Okay. 10 minus 7 is 3. Remainder is 3. Understood, right? Now 19 by 5. What is the remainder? Yeah. Clear, right? Remainder and floor division. These two only like difficult. All others are easy, straightforward, right? Plus, minus, multiplication, and division. So only these two you need to remember. Where floor also. What is the output we're getting here? See, 5 5 3 ja 15, right? See, okay. Let's see this. Here 3.8 actually as per that 4 we should get. Okay. But 3 only we are getting. Yeah. This we need to research more. As per rule, we should get 4. Okay. Yeah. As of now, just remember we'll get actually should get nearby value, but here we should get 4. 3.8, right? Yeah. Yeah. Yes. But here just clearly it is removing decimals. Okay. Just it is removing decimal value. That is just we can remember. Clear, right? Arithmetic operators. Next one is comparison operators. Comparison. So we have for comparison equal to we can compare, right? And not equal to, okay? And less than, greater than, and less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. Okay. So to compare, we can use these operators, comparison operators, right? For example, let's take number 1 equal to 10, num 2 equal to 5. Okay. Now see out equal to num1 equal to num2. Okay. Let me let's say like this. Okay. So comparison operator's output is true or false. Okay. Now see it is false because it is not equal to, yeah. Yeah. Now see what is the output? Not equal to num2. Number 1 not equal to num2. So it is true here. And likewise, we can check less than and greater than also. Less than. What is the output here? True or false? It is false. Clear, right? So likewise, we can utilize these comparison operators. Okay. So these are all we will be using if conditions. Okay. That will be next topic. Okay. That is why I am telling you before that, before if condition. Next one is assignment operators. Actually. Assignment. So assignment meaning first will is equal to, right? So equal to is the assignment operator. So combination of this will is some other operator equal to plus, equal to minus. Okay, not equal to plus, not really, yeah, plus equal to, okay, minus equal to. Likewise, for all these operators are there, right? For all these operators, we can use like this. plus equal to minus equal to into equal to. Okay. So now let's take uh, number one equal to example 5. Okay. Number two equal to 3. See, now number one equal to number 5. Okay, here what we are doing? Assigning. Assignment we are doing. Number 1. Okay. Number 5 equal to number 1. Okay. So what we are doing here? We are assigning to number 5, num1 value. What is the output? Yeah, number 1 and number 5. So both are same here, right? Because we did assignment here. See, both are same. Okay. Now print here state num1, okay, plus equal to 10. So now what we are doing here, num1 already 5, we have a value is there, right? So we are adding 10 to 5. Here let's print number 1. So output is 15. You are getting right how it is working. So now if I'll put minus here, what is the output? So see, you only told here number 1 is 15 here, right? So now what I am doing here, 15, right? Minus 10, 5 is the output. Okay. So don't see this first one, right? Always it will overrides. Okay. So you need to think like this, right? Yeah. Now tell me, we'll keep like this into. What is the output? Here latest number 1 is 5, right? 5 into 10, 50. Clear? Now if I'll use like this, okay, 2. What is the output? Latest number is 50. 50 square, right? 50 square is 50, 50 into 50. Okay. Yeah. 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 Clear, right? So these assignment operators likewise we can utilize. All arithmetic operators only. Okay. By combining with assignment operator, we can do these kind of operations. Clear, right? Yeah. This is like, see, for everyone, what we are doing is whatever there here, right? Value. So this is the operation we are doing, right? Here number 1 into 10 we are doing, right? Here number 1 exponential 2. Here in number 1 50 is there already, right? 50 into 50. 50 into 50 here it is doing. Understood? See here latest value is 50 here. Okay. Yeah. For example, let me give here number one equal to 10. Now tell me what is the output. 10. Yeah. 10 square. What is the output? Output is 100. Clear, right? So by combining this assignment operator, we can use all arithmetic operators. See, you can write num1 equal to, okay, num1 into 2. So this one and this one both are same, right? Yeah, both are same. Just we optimize the thing. Both are same. No, no, everything is same, right? Value also will not increase. 100 only. This is just shortcuts we can use like this by using assignment operator. Okay, by combining arithmetic operators. This is just shortcut. Like this also we can use. Okay, but shortcut to this one is this like this we can use. Right? If anytime you wanted to do num1 plus 100. Okay, what is the output here? Num1 output print num1. Yeah, 110. So instead of this, just we can do like this. This is just shortcut, okay? Plus you can remove these are all things. Now also same 110. Clear, right? So next one is membership operators. Actually, this is very important. Membership operators. Membership operators are in, not in. So this membership operator we can apply for iterables. Here iterables I can say list to tuple set to. Okay, not dict. On dict we cannot apply. Okay, see, for example, list equal to 10, 20, 30. So now if you want to check, okay, 20 is available in this list or not. 20 is available in this list or not. Yeah, just simply 20 in L. We can use like this. So normally these things we will use in for loops. Okay, not only for loops, everywhere. So this 20 in list. Now just print. I am printing this thing. Okay, just I am checking this 20 in this list is there or not. Okay, if it is, yeah, in this case also output will be true or false. Now see, it is true. Clear? Just 20 is there or not. Now 200. Now see 200 in list. This 200 is there in this list or not? We are checking. It is false. Hmm? Yeah, we can apply not in. Same likewise. Opposite way. See, not in. So here we'll get output is true. That is correct, right? 200 not in L. We are checking it is not there in L. If it is there, we will get false. See, 20, yeah. Now here, if you see here, we are getting output as false because 20 not in L. So here, as per this, 20 is there in L, but we are checking 20 not in L. So it is false. Clear, right? Here, print H in S. What is the output we'll get here? H. Just we are checking this H is there in this string or not. True. So, so all iterables we can check. String also iterable, right? String, list, tuple, and set. String, list, tuple, set. We can apply this for these are all iterables. Clear, right? Now, now tell me what is the output? H in S. It is false because this is small letter. Yeah. This is very important actually. Membership operator is very important. It is very useful in real time. It is very useful. Clear, right? So this thing we can apply for these are all data types, all iterables. So next one is identity operator actually. Identity identity operator. So identity operator also is and is not. Okay. Yeah. Now let me tell you example. Okay. A equal to 1, 2, 3. For example, B equal to A. What we are doing here? We are assigning, yeah, A value to B. Yeah. Now C equal to, yeah, 1, no, 2, 3. Just I wanted to tell you this identity operator. How like we call it is identity operator. Is and not is, right? So now just press print. A is B. Okay. A is B. So this is also like true and false output only, right? Let me print this for 5, right? Okay. It is true only. So it will work based on the memory location actually. So is and is not will work on based on memory location. So if you see now how to check memory location by using ID we can check. Okay. ID of A. Okay. And ID of B. See, this is A memory location. Okay. Same, right? Both, yeah. So whenever we call A or B, right? So it will be that particular value will be called from here, this location. Okay, right? Now see, print A is C. A is C. Now let's see. It is false. Now if you see this memory location C, ID of C, ID, okay? To check memory location, we can use ID method, okay? It is inbuilt method. See, this is different memory location. So that is why A and C are not same. So identity, it is identity operator. So it will work based on memory location. Yeah. Now, can you tell me A how to access this one print? Yeah, print A of zero, A of zero. Okay. Now see here C of zero, right? A of zero and C of zero. Now let me print this. So both are same. Okay. Now if you see memory location of these two, print ID of A of zero. Okay, and ID of C of zero. Now see the magic. Okay, memory location is same. Clear? So this one and this one are coming from same location. Clear? See, D equal to, yeah, yeah, 1, 2, 3. So this is which data type? Tuple, right? So now let's see D of 0, right? Is it possible tuple will support for indexing or not? Yeah. Again, here also coming from same location. If you observe here, see internal values are, see these are all internal values, right? So if you see like back end, right, in the physical location, this is physical location ID actually. For example, in memory, okay, in memory it is storing in same location. It is in one location. Whenever you utilize same character, right, it will be coming from same location. It is not allocating new location, right? Yeah, see within we are here tuple we are using within tuple, okay, we are using one, but this one is coming from this 312 location only. Even if you see in the list also, it is also coming from same location. But if we see now, let's see ID of D, okay, ID of D. See, it is different location. ID of D is different location, ID of C is different location, and ID of A and B are same location. Clear? Why ID of A and B are same location is here. Just understand clearly this. We are assigning B equal to A here, right? We are assigning A value to B, right? But here we are creating new list. Here, see, for example, if you modify B, okay, let me modify B. Simply B dot append test, okay. So as per list, right, B dot append test, print B and print A also, print See, both will be affected. Both will be affected because same memory location. It is accessing from the same memory location. See, we have appended data to only B list. But if you see here, A list also affected. Why? Because same memory location. It is accessing from the same memory location. Clear, right? That is why we cannot copy. We cannot copy likewise. Hmm. Yeah, every time it will be different one. So it is, see, wherever, see, we are getting from the same location, right? It will affect that all variables. So that is why this is not good way to copy. Actually, what we are doing here, we are copying A values to B here, right? But if we copy like this, right, it is not good because if yeah, because of memory location, two are accessing from same memory location. So if you update one also, second one also will update automatically because of we are getting value from same memory location. Mm, correct. Yeah, whatever you are taking example, right? That is whatever you are assuming, that is correct. So company is located in one area, okay, one memory location. So within that company, more policies, more things will be there. That is different. For example, we have 10 departments in Infosys. Okay, one department into one memory location. So if you will change any like rule for that particular department, it will change for all employees under that particular department. Okay, so yeah, memory look. Yeah, yes, yes, yeah. Here, yeah, identity operator is will work based on the memory location. Okay, so is not are the identity operators. So if you want to check like memory location of two variables, right, we can use this identity operator is or is not. Clear, right? So that is why we have copy concept separately. I will tell you next week, I think. Okay, that copy concept. Like this, we cannot copy. We have some other methods to copy one to another. Clear, right? So next topic is if condition. Here, actually, from here we'll start our real coding requirements and all we can do from here. So if condition. So syntax is if condition colon, okay, one, two, three, four spaces. You need to follow this indentation, okay, four spaces, and here statement one, statement two, statement three. Once you come out from here, statement three. So this statement three is not part of this if condition, okay. Only these three statements are part of this if condition. If condition is true, then only these three statements will execute. But this statement 3, this statement 4 is there, right? Let me keep 4. This statement 4 will execute always. Okay? It is not depending on the if condition. It will execute always. Clear? So now tell me one simple requirement. I'll tell you. Already we learned everything. Yeah, here only it is terminating loop. So whenever you like coming out this indentation, right? Here it is terminating. In other languages we use curly braces, right? Like this. But here that is why this indentation is very important. For example, here you gave 4. Actually, standard is 4. Okay, as per PEP, you know, right? I have explained about PEP standards. We need to follow PEP standards. Okay, so standard is 4. You can give 2 also, but if you are giving 2, right? For all, you need to give 2 only for all statements. Okay, but standard is 4, 4 spaces. 2, 3, 4. We need to give 4 spaces. Now, for example, we have 10, 20, 30. Okay. Now the requirement is if the length of this data is okay, if length of data is 3, okay, then add 40 and 50 to the data. Okay, add 60 always. You need to add 60 always. So now tell me, so as per this, already you learned how to find length, right? In previous class, I think you learned how to find length. Right? Now tell me, as per this, if here we need to put condition. If len of data, how to do comparison equal to 3. As per syntax, we need to keep colon here and enter. So in PyCharm, automatically it will take 4 spaces. Okay, 4 spaces. Once you enter, right, it will take automatically 4 spaces. Right? Now, what is the requirement? Add 40 and 50. Yeah. How to add? Data dot append. Okay, 40. Same 50. And add always 60. Add always 60 meaning you no need to depend on this length equal to 3. You need to add always. Always meaning you need to come out from if condition, if loop. Okay, if condition. This block, okay. Here data dot append 60. Now what is the output? We'll see. Print of data. Now what is the output we'll get here? So 10, 20, 30. Okay. If len of 3, requirement is if length of 3, length equal to 3, you need to add 40 and 50. Okay. Now tell me what is the output we'll get. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Why? Because here, yeah, condition will fail here, right? Condition fail meaning it will not enter into this block. These two lines will not execute, right? Here condition will, here it is false, right? See, Now let me print here, print. So Lena, okay. Now here, what is the output we'll get is false actually. See here false Boolean output. So if condition is false, it will not enter into this block, right? Again, this is outside of this if condition, right? If block, right? So it will execute always. So 60 only added to the data. Clear? Yeah. Append is like append. What it will do? It will add element at end, right? So now also tell me what is the output we'll get. What is the output we'll get now? Okay. Okay. Yeah. What is the output finally? Okay. 40, 50, 60. Clear? So like this, like by applying this comparison operators and all right here in condition, we'll create the scripts based on the requirement, right? So now tell me if 20 is available in this data, okay, add test to this list. Yeah. If 20 is available in this data, how to check what operator we need to use? If 20 in 20 in list, what it is? Membership operator, right? It is membership operator. Okay, is like this 20 in data. Okay, not list 20 in data. This is also not required. Okay, if 20 in data, add test to data. Data dot append test, right? Data dot append data dot to. Tell me what is the output we'll get now finally. Two, yeah, 10, 20, 60 and test 60. Okay, clear? What I am doing here by using index, I am trying to access second element first and appending to data. Yeah, that is why here, what is the data of 2 here? Data of 2 is 60. What we are doing? We are appending. Yeah, clear it. So likewise, based on the requirements, we can like play around these operators and using if condition, right? Clear, right? Till now. Yeah. So tomorrow we'll discuss more examples for if condition and we'll start for loop also. Okay.